Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Razer Kraken Kitty V2 headset to your PC. First, identify the USB-A connector on your headset. This is the standard rectangular plug. Next, locate an available USB-A port on your computer. These are commonly found on the back of desktop PCs or the sides of laptops. Once you've found a port, simply insert the headset's USB-A connector firmly into it. You should feel a slight click, indicating a secure connection. After physically connecting your headset, the next crucial step is to install the Razer Synapse 3 software. This application unlocks all the advanced features of your Kraken Kitty V2. Navigate to the official Razer website and download the latest version of Synapse 3. Once downloaded, run the installer, accept the terms, and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. It's a quick process, and you might be asked to restart your computer afterward, which is a good idea to ensure everything is properly integrated. With Synapse 3 installed, it's time to personalize your headset. Open the application and select your Kraken Kitty V2 from the list of connected devices. Here, you can fine-tune your audio experience, adjusting volume levels, enabling bass boost, or activating spatial audio for immersive sound. You also have full control over the iconic chroma RGB lighting, allowing you to choose from millions of colors and various effects. Don't forget to save your favorite configurations to a profile. Finally, it's essential to test your new headset to ensure everything is working perfectly. Start by playing some audio, like your favorite music or a video, to confirm sound output. Next, verify your microphone. You can do this through your computer's sound settings or by joining a voice chat with a friend. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your USB connection. Then, review your settings within Razer Synapse 3 to ensure everything is configured as desired. Enjoy your new headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.